So just make sure you're loosening it. And I'm just gonna wait. ¿El filtro? Sí. Quítaselo. Es el mismo. Alright guys, so when it comes time to put everything back, just make sure you put your oil filter back and your oil drain plug back, and you tighten them as well. They don't need to be super tight, only about, according to Google, about between 20 to 30 feet of torque. So what I do, I just do it by hand. So what that means, just turn them until they feel tight, and then from there just tighten them up a little bit more with some force. I'm gonna pause it because I'm gonna mess up. She's squatting. What is going on, guys? So as I was showing you guys the oil change, just be careful and not over tighten it, because the oil pan itself is very fragile material and you definitely don't want to break it, crack it, whatever. So just make sure after you do the oil change it's not leaking, and you should be good. Any questions, feel free to comment. Always make sure when you're doing your oil change and on your drain plug that you have the right measurement on your ratchet or whatever, because if you don't, you're just gonna strip it, and then that's not good. Same thing with the oil filter. When you go to AutoZone or whatever, you get the adapter to remove it. Make sure you get the right one, because the last thing you want to do is strip the oil drain plug or your filter too, because then it's going to be a pain in the ass to do it. So yeah, guys, that's any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Like I said, I have more cars like Civic Si. Have another Civic, the older ones. I am planning to get like something rear wheel drive so I can actually drift it, because this car is not cutting it. So make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more content like tracking and stuff soon. So I'm getting the car ready. I think I'm gonna do the SI. If not, I will just do the whatever car I decide to purchase for drifting. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and see you guys on the next video.